Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about POCOCO Galaxy Star Projector for your bedroom. You should try this product or not, okay? So as you can see the product website, this is the official website of this brand, and the brand is approx like you can say like 15 to 16 years old brand, okay? So it means the brand is looking like 100% legit, okay? And you can see they have like YouTube channel, and on their YouTube channel they have like 602 videos, and on their Facebook page you can see they have like 2.5k followers, and they have provided each and every information, okay? And you can also see like they have like Instagram page also, and you can also see like Instagram they have you can say like huge, you can say like follower base, okay? So if we talk about you should try their product or not, so basically the product is easily available on amazon.com, and the product you can see the product is available as three in colors, and you can say like white, and you can say like black, and there is a mixture of color. So the brand is looking 100% legit, and each and everything is looking 100% good, so you can try the product without any doubt, okay? And this product is really amazing for your, you can say like we can say like house decoration, or you can say like you can see over here this is a projector for your bedroom, so you can project any, you can say like kids in your bedroom, and it will give you amazing environment, or you can say like atmosphere, okay? So my dear friend, this is a good product, you can try the product without any doubt. This is a 100% legit brand, okay? So if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.